Well, if you want to get a new door, I can actually fix this door and put it towards the new door if you want to get a new door. I'm just getting here to a job. Sounds like a broken spring. I'll get back to you in a minute.
I can calm down and
Okay, all right, okay. The bottom here.
Nice.
I guess you don't open that much.
We do not. No, we've had a triple lock there.
Get a candle and actually rub it there with the wax.
Oh yeah.
And it'll slide. It'll slide back.
Nice. So this is what we got, and that looks like the problem area right there.
Yeah. No, cables look good. No frays.
Yeah, it goes up about 6 inches and then it comes back down.
Yeah, it looks like they took the bearing out. Why is that bearing over there? It looks like they took it out of the spring.
Oh.
Okay, well, I mean, I can do it. This one, I can tell you, is probably going to be $689 to change it out.
What would it cost to replace the whole setup here?
Well, if we did it, we would frame it down.
Yeah.
That's what most people do, and they create the headroom. Because this doesn't really have the headroom. See how they bent the bracket there and everything to get it in?
Yeah.
And it's probably, it's not even tight. So
right, it's not even tight, yeah.
Yeah, so we would frame it down and you just 7 high door. This is probably 7.6 or even, maybe even 8 high.
Yeah.
The good thing about these doors is when they go up, you see how these hinges go from flat and then they get a little wider and a little wider and a little and wider?
Yeah.
Everything pitches in, so so it's tight at the end. So when these doors go up, you want it to, get free and go up. But with this, I would never do this unless you had no other choice. Like some people, their ceiling is this high, and then the door is this high. Wow. So you have to use this track. You can't frame it down to here because you'd have to duck to get in. But you have the room still. You can frame it down to 7 feet on this door, and it will still be a standard height. And then you'd have a ton of room. You can use regular track, and you can mount the opener to the header, and it would all work perfectly. But I can tell you right now, I mean, this door doesn't work smoothly if you were to use it by hand.
It doesn't. You can tell that this thing doesn't work that smoothly.
Well, if you want to get a new door, I can actually fix this door and put it towards the new door. If you want to get a new door, I'd probably get a steel door.
Yeah.
You don't have to paint them.
Really?
They never. 10 years from now, you can look at it. It'll look the same. You hose it off, it looks the same. They actually have car paint on them. Like they're baked on. I mean, I would get a steel door in here and I'd redo the way they did everything. I could tell, see, your house is over here. They put this piece on top, or I don't know.
So you're saying if we fix this spring though, you could put it towards, yeah,
I could do it so you can use it.
Still keep the spring for the...
No, we would just change it out. I mean, we could just change it out. I mean, it depends what size the door is. If they have it in stock, then we can get it right away. If you want windows on it, do you want windows?
Probably not, no.
Yeah. Your opener's pretty good. These ones here are the ones that came out right before. Now you don't need light bulbs. Yeah. But they have the MyQ. Right. I think it has MyQ in it. Yeah, right there. Just change the spring on this door. Look at that. Talk about hooking it up wrong. Look at the wall button. Good, it's working. And I wrote it up, I called it in to make sure the price. So you got an odd size both ways. This is where I would frame it down to right here.
Yeah. And so what would that look like?
A lot of your neighbors have them. Like I think that one had them.
Oh, I see what you're saying.
Yeah, you frame it down.
Yeah.
The opener, I mean, I don't know if your button looked like that before, but everything's written backwards on there.
It
looks like it's wired wrong.
Weird. Seems like an amateur.
Even the way they ran the wires is just so funny. Okay. So, there you go. That's what I got for one spring. Not bad. Okay, I'm pulling away from this job. It took me about 30 minutes. He's probably gonna buy the door for $5,000. I gave him a $350 credit off of the spring change I just did for $689. Usually when these type of customers, they call you back and say do it. And then it gets done. And then guys like me go put them in. And it can be guys like you or women too. So you guys get involved. People will be calling you and they want their door fixed. They have to get it fixed. That's just the name of the game. You could go out and make $1,500 to $2,000 every single day doing this. If I did 3 of those calls just now, it'd be $2,100. You know, I'm not as aggressive as I used to be. I'm kind of just more laid back, 61 years old. But when you're young, you could go get this money. It's waiting for you. When they call you, 95% of the time they're calling you because they need you. They don't wake up in the morning and decide they want to call and talk to someone about a garage door. Their door won't open, and it's not something they want to even do, call you, fix it, but they have to. So they're happy to see you. You're gonna save the day. All right, anyway, I'm gonna leave it at that. You guys should sign up. I'm telling you right now, you don't know, I don't even know what you're waiting for. You guys should sign up and learn this trade. Start being the guy in your area doing all the doors, having all day to yourself, not worrying about working so much. Go do whatever you want to do. But anyway, www.garagedoortrainingschool.com is where you learn how to do this online. You don't have to worry about going and flying somewhere real far. And it's a good thing too, if you forget anything, you can go over the course again because you get a lifetime access to it. Unlike whatever other trades they're teaching out there, once you go to their class and you leave, in a week, you're gonna forget everything you learned. We have a very effective class. The way we're telling you to do it is the only way you ought to do it. If you guys are seriously thinking of getting in the garage door business, you should go to www.garagedoortrainingschool.com, get signed up, quit wasting time. Nothing's gonna change in your life automatically. You're gonna have to make some type of effort, and no matter what you do, and this is a guaranteed income. Anyway, gotta go, gotta take another call. See you later.